Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Smart Tech. As always, I have appeared among you with a new one. Yes friends, you may have seen through the headline. That's what I mean to say. Yes, just so. How do you change the language of your computer? You can do this on both Windows and Mac computers. Changing your computer's default language will not change your internet browser's language or other programs. Okay, let's get started. I am currently using Windows 10. So, start the process opening your start menu. To open it, click the Windows logo in the bottom left corner of the screen, or you can also press the Windows key on your keyboard to open Start. Click on the setting icon is in the lower left side of the Start window. Then click Time and Language. It's in the middle of the setting windows. Click the Language tab. You will find this on the far left side of the window. Then click Add a Language. It's next to a large plus sign in the middle of the page below the languages heading. Select a language or type your language into the search bar, then hit the next button. It will take you into the installation space. This may not be available for your selected language. And just install your preferred language. It may take some time. After installations, it will list it to your language page. Then go to the red zone and select your downloaded language. Just it. And then you need to restart your computer. To do that, open the start menu, click power options and click restart. Once your computer restarts and you sign back into your account, your selected language will be in place. Thank you very much for staying so long with us. Subscribe to Smart Tech and click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button to get our latest technology related videos first.